In this video, we'll be showing you how to add volunteers that are not registered on your website. First, make sure you are logged into the website. You can volunteer for a task from the following places: the dedicated volunteers page in Your PTA and Volunteers, or from the home page on the task section of each event. When you click on the volunteer button, you will be asked if it is just you or if you are volunteering for yourself and others. For yourself, you can check and uncheck the DBS certified and qualified first aider checkboxes as appropriate, and add a message to the organisers should you wish, and click on the volunteer button. When you select a volunteer for myself and others, a modal window will appear where you can enter the first name, last name, email address, telephone number, and specify whether each volunteer is DBS checked and/or a first aider. Clicking the Me checkbox will automatically populate the record with your own details to save you entering them manually. You can also include a message to the event organiser in the free text field if you wish. Click on the volunteer button when you are done. A confirmation email will be sent to yourself and other volunteers. You can see all of the events you have volunteered for by heading to My Account from the main navigation and then Volunteer Tasks. And that's it, you can now successfully add volunteers that are not registered on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.